Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Gigabyte M27Q P Gaming Monitor. So friend, Gigabyte launches a M27Q P Gaming Monitor, a 27-inch WQHD gaming liquid crystal display with a KVM switch. And friend, the refresh rate is set to 165Hz by default and 170Hz when overclocked, which enables seamless reproduction of visuals with fast movement. And friend, additionally it has gaming specific features such as AMD FreeSync Premium display synchronization technology and Black Equalizer for improved visibility in low light areas, and aim stabilizer sync from reduced motion blur. And friend, the LCD panel is an IPS system with a brightness of 400 cadmium per meter square, contrast ratio of 1000 Gem1, color depth of 10 bit, a color gamut of 98% DCI-P3, a horizontal or vertical viewing angle of 178 degree, high dynamic range of VESA Compliant HDR 400, and friend, HDMI 2.0 x 2 DisplayPort 1.4 x 1, USB Type-C x 1, USB 3.0 downstream x 2, USB 3.0 upstream x 1, and 3.5mm headphone jack x 1 are all interface. And friend, it also has a built-in 3W x 2 stereo speaker. And friend, the stand adjusts from -5 to 20 degrees tilt and 130mm in height, and the VESA mounter provides a pitch of 100 x 100mm. And friend, the external dimensions of 615.7 mm width, depth of 229.3 mm, height of 517.49 mm. And friend, it will be comes with a weight of 6.7 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.